Which one is more enjoyable? Waking up to the relaxing sounds of birds chirping around you, or to the noise from a generator? By investing in a high-quality solar system, you can charge up your batteries to power your electrical devices while camping without having to worry about the fuel for a generator or needing to tolerate its constant noise. In this video, we'll go over some of the features of our Samlex SRV-200-30A solar charging kit, which has the highest output in the RV industry for charging 12-volt batteries. Our solar kits come with everything that you need to mount your solar panel to the roof of your RV or any other flat surface. This means you'll get 20 feet of weather-resistant connecting wires, aluminum mounting brackets, and all the required stainless steel hardware to mount your panel to your RV, which makes installation a breeze. The SRV kit includes a 30-amp flush mount charge controller. The nice thing about this controller is that one 30-amp controller can manage up to 600 watts of solar power. So expanding your system is as easy as adding more solar panels to your setup. If you're planning to be boondocking for longer than a few days, or if you need to power devices that consume a lot of power, like a blender or a coffee maker, you can use up to 3 200-watt solar panels with just one charge controller to keep your batteries charged up and ready for use whenever you need them. By using this lithium compatible charge controller, you can see the amount of power that you are getting from the sun in real time on its digital LCD display. So monitoring the performance of your panel and modifying the settings is very straightforward. All Samlex solar kits are weather resistant and built to last even in harsh conditions of hail and heavy snow. If you want to get more out of each panel, you can improve charging by up to 40% by installing the solar panels on our adjustable panel tilt mount, which will help you get more sun exposure during the day. We have some great resources on our website and YouTube channel, including RV solar panel installations. So make sure to check those out if you'd like to learn more. So if you're ready to get started with solar or need help calculating your solar requirements, just give us a call and tell us what you want to power, and we'll help you with the rest.